Alright, so I'm getting ready to open the lid and I have my spray. So I'm gonna slowly start spraying my girls over here. Hello ladies, how are you? They arrived from BC and I'm guessing that they're hungry and thirsty. Oh wow, they are beautiful. Look at them, gorgeous ladies. Beautiful. I haven't seen the queen yet. So we have 5 frames and they have given them sugar already to munch on. So I'm spraying them with sugar water 1 to 1. Let me start moving the first frame. I'm supposed to keep the frames together. Oh, come on ladies, they have already managed to glue everything together. I'm gonna have to use my hive tool. Good job, ladies. Welcome to a new home. Oh, come on. Yes. Alright, you're gorgeous. Yes, you are. So I don't see the queen here. This is clearly filled up with honey frame. I'm gonna place them nicely in the beautiful queen box. I'm gonna give them some more sugar water. Good job. Beautiful. Alright, so let me take the next one. Good job. Still no queen? No queen. This one is filled up also. Oh, this one has brood. Excellent. Very exciting. Good job. All right. So my girls are starting to get a little bit agitated. Still no queen. I'm looking. Oh, come on, lady. Trying not to step on them because they're really everywhere. Very nice. So this one, no queen. I see lots of drones, lots of bees. This one has some honey as well. Well done. Thank you, ladies. Enjoy your new home. It's very nice and clean just for you. Very nice. All right, moving into 2 more frames. Let's see. I'm curious to see. Oh, wow. That lady just stung me. Okay. I may have to use the smoker for the next hive. That's all right. All right, good job. Okay, moving on to the next frame. Very nice. No queen, but lots of brood. Beautiful. Very nicely done. Thank you, ladies. Beautiful work. All right. One more frame to move. Wow. I know, ladies. You're not enjoying this. I gotta see the queen. Yeah, hiding her. Okay. Time to see if she's hiding here. see that girl. But I'll have to close them up, and I'm gonna have to do a search to make sure that we have everybody in their new home. Alright, I'm gonna stop the recording and I'm gonna be back with you in a minute.